a person my size and my height, weight, etc., would have over 4 pounds of this single mineral in their body. So you could understand how the importance of it, right? So it's the third most abundant substance in your body. And what it does inside of you is basically on a cellular level, it makes your cell walls more permeable, so things could pass through better either way, right? So if you're eating like nutritious foods and taking in supplements, you're able to take in more of those into your cells to have benefit that way. And any toxins that may form inside of your cells are able to get released, because your cell walls are permeable. If you don't have enough MSM inside of you, then your cell walls will harden, and the toxins that may be in your cells will get trapped in there. You'll get toxic and sick and diseased that way. And then you can't take in as many nutrients either, from the food and supplements that you're eating. So it's a double whammy of not good stuff if you don't take it, and a double whammy of awesome stuff that happens if you do take it. So so your cell walls become more permeable, become a better filter, get more nutrition, get rid of toxins better. So super awesome. Another thing that's known for is reducing inflammation. Like it's crazy awesome for reducing inflammation, like knees, elbows, shoulders, all that kind of stuff. But what we're talking about today is strengthening connective tissue. I actually have a video that has over like almost 30,000 views on YouTube just about the MSM. It's called the MSM Miracle. Okay, so the way you would take it for stronger bones and teeth. Well, let me back up for a second. As far as your connective tissue, what is your connective tissue? So your skin, your hair, your nails, your ligaments, your tendons, and then your bones and your teeth. Okay, so it helps to strengthen all of those, but at the same time, make them more like resilient, a little bit more pliable, for lack of a better term. So in other words, like if you have brittle hair or brittle nails, then they break really easily. Same thing with ligaments and tendons. So the MSM not only helps to strengthen those, like your ligaments, tendons, bones, teeth, but like if you have an impact, things don't just snap off. Like there's some resilience behind them and a little bit of give, with that strength. And you keep it. And we'll go over a couple of case studies after I actually show you how to use it for your teeth. Okay, so just taking it, in daily, preferably twice a day, morning and evening, that will have all the effects for all the connective tissue, your hair, skin, nails, ligaments, tendons, and your bones and your teeth. It'll have to strengthen that, right? But if you have things going on, like with your gum line, like where your gums meet your teeth, then like if you have inflammation or bacteria there, or receding gums, then or you want to prevent that from happening. If you don't have that happening yet, because it usually happens later on in age, then this is the way to do that. Well, I'm going to show you right now. So it's a really simple. It takes like 2 minutes out of the day to do this, like a minute in the morning and a minute in the evening. So let me show you how to do it, and then I'll go over a couple tips and tricks afterwards on timing and everything like that. And then I'll go over a couple cool case studies of some really awesome results that have happened from it. Okay, so basically, you want the amount that you want to take is anywhere from usually a teaspoon, which is what this is, which is 3 grams, to a half a tablespoon, which is 5 grams. So you do that twice a day. So that's 3 grams plus 3 grams is 6 grams, so, and then 5 grams plus 5 grams is 10 grams. So 6 to 10 grams a day. And then you can do as much as 20 or more if you're injured or something like that, because it's good for your, the health of your bones. If you get injured, your bones, your ligaments, your tendons, all that kind of stuff. If you macrodose, this will help you heal quicker and better. Okay. So you just mix it up, get it to where it's all mixed into the water, and then it's as easy as this, right? Okay, so you want to do that, switch it around like that for at least 10 seconds, but usually 15 to 20 seconds. And you swish it all around. Try to get it like in between your teeth and the back of your teeth and the front, everywhere. And the MSM, it helps to kill the bacteria that might be there, especially in the morning, and then it helps to just strengthen that gum line, and it helps to reduce the inflammation there, all that kind of stuff. Because like we said earlier, it reduces inflammation as well. So it's super awesome for that.